Welcome back to Poetry and Police. The whole Jamaica seems to be concerned, or I must say mixed feelings. Some people are happy, elated that Buju Banton, I've seen in a previous video here with DJ Khaled in the United States, which indicates that the artist has been given back the opportunity to travel to the United States once more. Before I say anything about this situation, if it is a situation, it's not even a situation to me. I would say congratulations to the DJ, and congratulations to Jamaica, because Buju Banton is one of Jamaica's best artists. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Or what is Buju Banton? Buju Banton was arrested in America and sent to prison. Yes, we all know that. We all know that, And when Buju Banton was arrested, some people say Buju Banton was innocent, some people say him guilty, some people say a long time him a drug dealer. You always have people in Jamaica who have bad things to say and good things to say. But me as an experienced detective, me always just leave things to proof or just leave things to time. Because we know that people can go to prison innocently sometimes, and sometimes you do it for true. So Buju was caught in a situation where he was sent to prison. Fine. He did his time, came back to Jamaica. And now Buju is back in America. And people are speculating about how did Buju get back his American visa, etc., 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 etc. Everybody, every blogger, everybody is on it. Some people are saying that Buju Banton sell him soul to get visa back, And people are even assuming the ultimate betrayal of his beliefs. And that it must be something heinous that Buju Banton is doing, or what Buju Banton is undertaking with right now with DJ Khaled. Now for him to get back an American visa. First of all, his conviction has been years now. And there's no hard and fast rule that he could not have gotten back a visa, even though he was convicted. As far as I can recall, there was not an order in place. To my knowledge then. Some people might have more knowledge than I do of the case. There was I have no knowledge that there was an order set in place, but he could never get back a United States visa, and that he was banned permanently from the United States, like, Redito Adams is banned from the United States. And I have another colleague, another policeman, who was also banned from the United States to a constable in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Now, I know a man like that. He's banned from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He cannot enter the Jamaica Constabulary. He cannot enter the United States again. His visa is revoked and will never be renewed because he's banned from America. He can only go to Canada. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. So we are talking about Buju Banton now, and the fact that Buju Banton is now in possession of an American visa now, and he's able now to go back to America to let the American people know that the versatility of Buju Banton, and let the American people experience the level, the creativity of Buju Banton, the musical genius of Buju Banton. Because Buju Banton is a musical genius, and Buju Banton has played his role in putting Jamaica on the map in terms of music. But all of a sudden everybody attack and everybody speculate, Buju Banton probably sell out his soul, Buju Banton probably do this, Buju Banton probably do that to get back a visa. Brethren, why people can't just left things be sometimes? Why people can't just left things be sometimes? And a matter of fact, anything he want to do, if he want to sell him soul or him business, that him have his God, his culture and his belief to live up to, and if he want to betray that for money, or him business that, no, let me tell you, everybody love money, Me love money, but at the same time, I will not do certain things for money, because certain things has come my way, I never did it, because I have certain beliefs, certain core beliefs that I would never do certain things for money. I don't know what Buju Banton is, if he is that type of person like me who would never do anything for money. But like some people might say that, you know, the way he was convicted, that he had put himself in a position to get arrested because he loved money. And as a result of that, some people might say that he has sold his soul now for money. But at the same time, if Buju Banton wants to sell for him soul or for him business, that all I care about right now is that the Jamaican music is going abroad. The Jamaican culture is being experienced by other people who has fallen in love with the culture. And what you need to understand, people, that most people in international countries like America and Amsterdam and Europe and all around the world, you think they love Jamaica. The love is not for Jamaica, The love is for the music of Jamaica, the culture of Jamaica. From Bob Marley, who set the trend for other artists like Buju Banton and such delight. Now, some people might say Sizzla not sell out, Sizzla never sell out. Well, that is Sizzla's business. And amongst that, people might say Sizzla is saying, oh, him not doing this. But Sizzla not clean either. Oh, who is Sizzla with him judgment yard thing and him one bag of bangarang thing, same way. Police have one bag of niggas one bag of man up a judgment yard and give police one bag of trouble, same way. So let me tell you, so every artist in Jamaica find themselves in a situation, most artists then, I'm not going to say every artist, in Jamaica always find themselves in a situation where they are breaking the law, or them a par with the wrong set of man, them and do the wrong set of thing, because a popularity, and then everybody can take popularity in a region, and everybody can deal with certain powers that is given to them, But listen, brethren, Jamaican people, let's just give thanks for Buju Banton. Let's just give thanks for Buju Banton and hope for the best, and hope that he did not sell his soul, since people are concerned about him selling his soul and what he would do for money. And most of these things are speculations anyway. It is time for us to stop speculating and base things off proof. I'm a police officer, man, and I'm a former police officer, a former detective. And I believe in the burden of proof. And if I cannot prove an incident, a situation, I cannot prove that an offense has committed or something has committed, I am not going to really talk about it. You have to say, well, you have to use certain words like alleged, it's alleged that, or it's rumored that. But brethren, sometimes we need to leave out this rumor thing and start destroy people's character every chance that we get. You know what I mean? Let's just give thanks that Buju Banton has received a visa again, and that the Jamaican culture again will be able to spread through the likes of Buju Banton. Because we know Buju Banton a good artist. We know Buju Banton come up from a long time in the 90s there, and Buju Banton has played this role in the upliftment of Jamaica through the music. And me have to give him, me have to take off my hat for that. Even though he found himself in a situation where he was arrested and charged, and him let me down, me not lie, if him really did what he did. Even though there was speculation and allegation that he was set up. But that is neither here nor there, because if he was convicted, then you have to believe in the conviction. You cannot believe in anything else but the conviction. So now that the man is back in the United States, we all know DJ Khaled is a promoter, DJ Khaled is a producer, DJ Khaled have a whole lot of bite. DJ Khaled have a whole lot of influences, and all DJ Khaled needs to do is get a good immigration attorney to get Buju Banton a visa. And trust me, I believe that may be the case. We all know that Buju Banton was in problems with, them kind of people, the flowers people, the beautiful people, the rainbow people. And most people had speculated that was what led him to be set up and arrested in the first place and sent to prison, because they were trying to tear him down as they were trying to tear down Sizzla. But we can assume that he has formed an alliance with them. People are assuming that he must have formed an alliance with those rainbow people. Or he has decided to be a spokesperson for the rainbow people. But let us see what is next on Buju Banton's plate. Being in America, let's see what this is all about. But I am sure that DJ Khaled has all the pieces put in place. Had all the pieces put in place to get Buju Banton back in the United States. Because we all know that the government of the United States or any country and money them care about. And if Buju touch America, brethren, back on the front and money. Because when a promoter brings Buju Banton to any country and does any show, you know I sell out that. Even if the rainbow people doesn't come, I sell out that. And Uncle Sam are going to make tax from that. Uncle Sam are going to make their money from that. So why turn down that? Why turn down a good offer from an attorney to give back this man his visa so he can travel to United States? And I like say, maybe it's not even a visiting visa, it's a work visa. You know what I mean? I wish every artist in Jamaica get back them visa. You know what I mean? So them can go to United States and make some money, pay their taxes, and you know, come back to the and let people know about Jamaica some more, because Jamaica is a very talented country and our artists are very talented and people want to hear from us. Right now, Jamaica is like #1 on the map when it comes to music. As a matter of fact, Jamaican music, Jamaican culture is the only culture right now that is influencing the whole entire world. The whole entire world, you know. Not just America alone, or England alone, or Europe alone, but almost the whole entire world. People love Jamaican music. And people love Buju Banton, because Buju Banton is one of the best. Not was one of the best, you know, but one of the best. Buju Banton is one of the best. You know what I mean? Buju Banton is one of the best. It's funny, you know, how everybody a ball for cartel come out of prison. But at the same time, Buju Banton get back in visa, and some people seem like they don't agree with that, and people are assuming that he must have to sell out or inform or carry news to get back in visa. Well then, if him even do that, that is up on him, you know. That is up on him. All I care about is that Jamaica will be on the map. Buju will be representing Jamaica around the world. And in America, mostly where all the fans are and where the most money is to be made. Respect DJ Khaled for get back the artists in the United States. DJ Khaled, enough respect to you. Respect all right now. And it's a joyful moment to see the artists back on in the United States. And trust me, I want to know where's the next concert. Now, Buju Banton is my sister's favorite artist. I know my sister will be pleased right now to know that the artist is back on United States soil, because we want to go to his next show. Because trust me, Buju Banton is one of the best over the years. Right? So let us just give the artist some support, because as we know, he's representing Jamaica, brother. Buju Banton is representing the people of Jamaica. So the people of Jamaica should be behind the artist full. And all I have to say to Buju Banton is, don't put back the driver under the seat. Alright?